Children's Paradise Metric High Secondary School presents you a video on Meha birthday celebration of 16 teachers. Let's see the video. It's a grand celebration with a heart full of happiness and delightful events. Here comes C. Satya, who celebrates her born day on 4th of May. She has a curiosity in learning, a technical supporter, and a young lady to run errands and helping technically, very inquisitive in learning new aspects of every genre she come across in her life, a great helper in organizing the technical aspects of every cultural event, a video creator, singer, dancer, multi-talented girl, and an alumni of Children's Paradise Metric High Secondary School. She has 5 years experience in our school. Next comes Mrs. A. Meena, who celebrates her birthday on 4th of May. Handling the kindergarten kids is an Herculean task, but we can see our staff Meena takes it with an ever-smiling face. Her charming face and attractive smile attracts our kindergarten kids to be present in school with a bright smile every day. She is a good mother to feed our KG kids. She is a cool-hearted, cool-minded, and very optimistic person in every approach. She takes an immense effort to bring out the children in all the cultural events of KG kids, be it an annual day or a sports day. She has 3 years of experience in our school. We are glad about that. Next comes our male staff, Mr. S. Mohan, the teacher of maths, who has a keen interest in social works also. He is the first person ready to be volunteer in social service during the first wave of COVID-19 pandemic. He took a strenuous effort in cleaning Pural Lake. Be a major contributor in bringing the Destitutes for Poverty Alleviation Day celebrated in our school. He also travelled to Pera-Urni in Tanjavur district to hand over our Gaja cyclone flood relief products as a representative of CPMHSS. He celebrates his born day on 5th of May and he has 3 years of experience in our school. Next comes one of our senior teachers, Mrs. B. Jamuna, HOD of Science Department in high school. Queen of Science is usually called as Maths, but Queen of Science in CPMHSS is our lovable BJ. She was fondly called as BJ by her initial. She was represented by her initial and loved by everyone. She is senior in age but junior at heart. She is a very energetic lady, busy bee, multitasker, and a balanced lady to regulate personal life and professional life equally. She is a seeker of knowledge and never find any hesitation to learn new things from the youngsters. A dynamic lady to arise in all endeavors. We convey our wishes to you, ma'am, and she has 16 years of experience in our school. It's a great effort. She celebrates her born day on 15th of May. Happy birthday, ma'am. Here comes another male staff, Mr. K. Rajapandian, who celebrates his born day on 20th May. He is all in physics department, a solo lion to handle the physics department single-handedly. He is very strict, at the same time very lovable and friendly to the higher secondary students. He encourages the higher secondary boys to take part in the cultural activities of sports day or else annual day. a domineering personality to tackle the higher secondary students, a friendly person, and be an important person in taking up outdoor activities to make our higher secondary students stress-free. He has 12 years of experience in our school. His journey in our school is also an important one. So, happy birthday, sir. Here comes one of our hard workers of CPM, Mrs. P. Dhanlakshmi. She too celebrates her born day on 20th May. Nothing runs without her presence in CPM office. She has a good memory power to locate the things in CPM campus. Never shown any slight shrewdness at any moment of intense hours. A great helper, kind-hearted woman, humble and polite in clarifying the doubts of teachers in the aspects of managemental affairs. A keen observer, she never lets any fault to be out under her supervision. She is also an alumni of CPMHSS. She has nearly 17 years of experience in our school. We are glad to know that. Thank you, ma'am, for your service in our school, and happy birthday to you. Here comes our another female staff, Mrs. M. Jensia, teacher of Tamil, who celebrates her birthday on 29th of May. A hardworking teacher, very active in everything, have frequent contacts with parents in children's studies, a good guide in bringing out the hidden talents of students in Tamil stream. A very sweet person to all, never mind about her health issues but works hard for children's welfare. She has 4 years of experience in our school. Next comes our staff, Mrs. A. Leona, who celebrates her birthday on 12th of June. A great supporter for teachers in online class. Her help and support at this moment are unimaginable. Helped and taught a few teachers in offline editing, taught the nuances and innovative ideas to be applied in offline videos for its best quality. Very friendly to everyone, kind-hearted, ready to help in clarifying the doubts in SchoolBeep app for parents. Very patient in explaining the technical defaults in online class. A good singer, knowledge seeker, best creator of LKG offline videos with amazing animation. Overall, an amazing personality in all the traits. She has 2 years of experience in our school. Experience in numbers doesn't matter in her case. She had a special place in everyone's heart within this short span. Really, thank you, ma'am, and happy birthday to you too. Here comes our teacher of biology, Mr. Mahesh, who celebrates his birthday on 13th of June. He is the only SPB of our CPMHSS. No function would be held in CPMHSS without his song. A very punctual person. Though he travelled from other districts, he never comes late. To excel in his field, he never misses out any webinar. A stern believer in spreading the knowledge of biology to everyone through YouTube videos in the name of Mahesh Neat in Tamil. He is the video creator of all the events in CPMHSS, a good photographer, one of the motivators and judges of singing competition. He responds politely to everyone to clarify technical issues. Overall, he is a tech savvy. He never give up his ideology in training students for NEET exams. His journey in our school was nearly for 12 years and hope to continue. So, happy birthday, sir. Next comes Another staff, the teacher of chemistry, Mr. Muhammad Ansari. He is a great orator. He is very polite to everyone, very friendly. His entry to CPMHSS is a timely help, very open-hearted to encourage and praise everyone, very adjustable and giving to others if they need any help, a submissive person of great knowledge. His birthday falls on 15th of June. He has 2 years of experience in our school. Next comes the teacher of Tamil, Mr. A. Pugarendi, whose birthday falls on 23rd June. He is a very calm and cool-hearted person, helps and prepares students for inter-school Tamil competitions along with the other Tamil teachers, has a sound knowledge in Tamil literature. His journey in our school nearly starts before 7 years. It will continue. So, happy birthday, sir.
Here comes S. Shivakumar, celebrated birthday on 3rd July. He disciplines students, encourages students in extracurricular activities, a technical supporter, take care of the higher secondary students before and after school hours, organizes student seating arrangement for all the programs at school, being a great supporter in sports day celebration. 7 years of experience. Here comes C. Ganesh. He has totally 8 years of experience, celebrated birthday on 6th July. He is a person who motivates his students in career guidance, humble, speaks kindly and motivates his students for their future. Teacher of economics, gives a strong vision on future career availability to students. An inspiring teacher, encourages students for Public Service Commission exams. Very subtle and down-to-earth personality.
Next comes QT staff, Mrs. P. Divya, whose birthday falls on 24th June. She has 7 years of experience in our school. Very humble person, never says no to any work at school. Very polite and kind to primary grade children. A good trainer of students for fancy dress competition. Very caring, very inquisitive to learn new ideas. She never gives up any chance to learn, a great learner. Thank you, Divya, for your support and for your effort taken for the welfare of the students in our school. Happy birthday to you. Next comes J. Meera, teacher of commerce, whose birthday falls on 14th of July. Her journey in our school started before 6 years. Still it continues. She is a hardworking person, ready to learn new things, a voracious reader, very subtle in nature, a classical dancer, a nice singer, very engaging in her work, thinks of students' welfare a lot, a very jovial and friendly in nature with the students. Her priority is always for students' welfare. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your support in CPMHSS and happy birthday to you. Next comes the teacher of maths, Miss T. Uma Maheshwari, whose birthday falls on 14th of July. She too has 6 years of experience in our school. She is a very calm lady, clarify doubts in maths to any student irrespective of their classes. She is a perfectionist, punctual, encourages students to love maths. Students find maths as a difficult subject, but her students have a special craving for maths because they are her students. Thank you, ma'am, Thank you for making the students to love maths, and happy birthday to you. So I convey my birthday wishes to all the teachers who celebrate their birthday, and I wish everyone to be very happy and have a long life and successful in your career. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight.
ये तो फोटो